Alright, something different today. I'm going to put on some wind deflectors from Witchdoctor. So these will go like so. I like these guys, you know, it's like their things, top, bottom. And they always send a little bag, card, then they always send some candy. See her. Sure, I got a critter in my shop. Oh, got a blue jay in there. I don't know if you can see him. Well, he probably wants out. Flew in when the garage was open. So, anyway, get to it. Oh, I got the first one on. Uses these little bands here. Maybe we're gonna have to go up a hair. This is what it should look like when it's all done. Ta-da! That should help. I'm hoping. It's not bad riding a bike, but you get like a lot of air that comes in like this and then kind of slaps you in the bottom of the head. Alright. All done. It looks pretty slick, huh? Doesn't look too horrible. Camera keeps trying to balance itself. Not too bad. Anyway, just one more thing I've been doing. Oh, I even used a angle finder to make sure my angle was the same here as it is here. So, and it's all measured out right, and they should be identical on each side. So we'll see. And I forgot. Again, Witchdoctors. I don't know if you can focus. I'm glad they still make parts for victories. Thank you, Witchdoctor.